Among 5 phones that Nokia launched today at MWC, 2 of them were budget smartphones, and one of them is a feature phone, which is a revamped version of the old Nokia 8110 phone that you must have seen in the Keanu Reeves movie The Matrix. You're watching India Today Tech, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the Nokia 8110 4G, the banana phone, and the Nokia One. The Nokia 8110 4G has a banana-like shape. It has a curved and longish form factor and has a T9 keypad hidden under the slider. The slider can be used to answer or end the call. While there are some things missing on the Nokia 8110 4G compared to the previous Nokia 8110, like there is no antenna on the top and the keys are a little changed, but you'll see that there are a lot of new additions as well. For example, there is a colored display now at front, which has a 2.4-inch screen size and a QVGA resolution. The phone also has a camera at the back, which has 2-megapixel resolution. In fact, the biggest addition would be its capability to run 4G SIM cards. The phone has 4G LTE support and comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. Under the hood, the phone runs the Qualcomm 205 chip with 512 MB of RAM and 4 GB of storage, which is also expandable via microSD card to up to 128 GB, which means you can put music on this phone and listen to it using its 3.5mm audio jack. In terms of software as well, there is a big change. The phone runs KaiOS, has its own app store, which has apps like Google Assistant, Google Maps, Facebook, Twitter, and others. This also hints that the phone may get WhatsApp support, unlike the Geo phone, which still doesn't have WhatsApp. There are also other software features which allow you to read your smartphone mail notifications on the Nokia 8110 4G, which means that if your smartphone dies, you may be able to use the Nokia 8110 to read the mails. Nokia 8110 4G has a 1500 mAh battery, which Nokia says will be able to give a standby time of 25 hours. The banana phone has been priced at around 80 euros, which translates to around 6500 rupees here in India. Nokia also launched the Nokia One, which runs the Android Go operating system. Google recently announced the Android Oreo Go version for smartphones that have low-end specifications, and Nokia One uses the same software. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage on a MediaTek chipset. At front, it has a 4.5-inch display with 480p resolution. It is expected to be priced under 5,000 rupees here in India, but for the global market it has been priced at around $80, which is around 5,500 rupees. Unlike the Nokia 8110 4G, the Nokia One is not a 4G compliant phone. It will be able to support only 3G network, but it does have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The phone has a 5-megapixel camera at the back and a 2-megapixel selfie shooter, which can also be used for video calling. While to take full advantage of the Android Oreo Go platform, light versions of many of the apps have been made, but there is a huge variety of applications for which no light application exists, which means that there is still some time for this platform to take off. So Nokia may partner with telecom operators here in India to offer the Nokia One at subsidized rates and help spread the Android Oreo Go platform as well. Let us know what you think about the Nokia 8110 banana phone and the Nokia One in the comment section below. Also, if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest tech videos like this delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you for watching.